Pretty clean truck. Actually came to us with a mechanical issue, and that guy, no, Andy fixed it. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of M1TY405. It's a 2001 Toyota 4Runner Limited. Mason, you're supposed to edit that sound in.
Now he has a sound clip for it.
Oh, it's royalty free. Pretty clean truck. Actually came to us with a mechanical issue, and that guy, no, Andy fixed it. The key was jacked up. They did some. Let's go, Andy. I don't want to get demonetized.
You didn't say anything bad.
161,672 miles. Toyota's doing Toyota stuff. A lot of good parts in here. Climate control is working well. Power antenna powers up. CD player work. Yeah, we got cassettes and CDs coming in. As you guys saw, the power windows do power window things.
We're gonna take it back today.
But we're gonna get demonetized.
M&M relapse.
Load.
Low ad.
Oh, it's a 6th?
Yeah, money.
Man, wah. All right, let's see if she plays. It works. No copyright claims here. Let's get a cassette tape going. That motor's just humming. Why you not like me? Alright, cassette works too. There's that power antenna, just doing power antenna things. Transmission. Reverse. Drive. It's all working well. Motor sounds great, as you guys can hear. All right. Oh, heated seats work well. Nice oak leather interior. Now I know why my butt's getting hot. All right. Check out that second row leather seat set. Oh, nice parts in this thing for somebody. All the wood grain is good too, so get ready. Yeah, I don't know what to say there. It's a window switch. It's hard to get excited about window switches. Ooh. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for M1TY405 or 2001 Toyota 4Runner Limited. Whew. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, I'll leave a link in the description down below to our website, www.jnjautorwrecking.com, or you can give us a call toll free at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.